Hello everybody, this is Big on the Go from Rohan Engineering Enterprise. Well, today we're going to talk about sampling, which is a key to success in the engineering field. And to run us through it, we have none other than Shiv Shankar Mahapatra,
Hello.
a pivot of this organization. So Shiv Shankar, basically, if you can just give us a lowdown on what sampling is all about.
Sampling means to take the representative sample from the total lot, because in plants they are using various fossil fuels, minerals. So to get the actual data, so we have to sample it at the lab. So we are basically a designer and manufacturer of the sampling system. That means the auto-mechanical system which can collect the sample from various sources, like from conveyor you can collect the samples time to time. From vertical chute you also get sample automatically without any human intervention. That is the main basic points of the sampling. And also there is a auger sampler which can collect the sample from truck and wagon. That is collected at entry gate. That means at plant gate. Okay. So basic thing is that to collect the representative sample from the total lot.
What are the various types of sampling? These are the various types of
Yeah, this is the screw sampler, there is a bell sampler to collect the sample from bell, there is a auger sampler to collect samples from the truck or wagons. This is the mostly this kind of sample.
How important is the role of sampling?
The important means there is a very particular roles. Basically, sampling doesn't affect with the direct productivity, but it has a 100% roles in the materials, because the material you are using at your plants and the material you have ordered to your vendors, you should have the proper data of that, and you should also get the proper material. So for to getting the proper material, you have to sample it. Okay, because when you are taking sample from any other vendors like coal, because in normal plants or power plants they are using 5,000 ton of coal per day. So the 5,000 ton cannot be sampled at lab. So that's why the sampling came, from where we can get the sample of representative of this 5,000 ton, so that you can sample it at lab and check the various data like GCB, like ash content, and various data is there. For that reason the sampling is required.
Okay. How far Rohan Engineering Enterprise has expanded so far as sampling machines are concerned?
Rohan Engineering Enterprise started this sampling on 2007. So we have supplied our first product to Cell DSP. Okay. So after that we have developed some different kind of samplers, and now at all we have already registered to every plants in India and abroad also. We have more than 150 numbers of installation in India and also abroad for this various kind of sampler like bell sampler, cross bell, screw sampler, bell end sampler, auger sampler. Auger sampler there is with different part, mobile auger, stationary auger, like that. So we are expanding right now.
Which other countries you work with?
We have supplied our samples to UAE, Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
We have also supplied at Qatar, then Indonesia we have also supplied, and Africa, Congo we have supplied our samples.
Lovely.
That is for different type of. This is a very important part, because we have supplied our crossbell sampler for gold mines to collect the sample of gold.
That is interesting.
Okay, that is interesting. And also in Congo we have supplied our sampler for the copper ore, cobalt ore.
Okay.
That is interesting parts of this.
Absolutely. So, what are the three key areas that make sampling a huge success?
The sampling, the main three key points is that the sampler you are using, there will not be any human intervention.
Okay.
So there is a less chance of tampering. That is the first part. Second part is that the representativeness, the sample you are getting, that is fully representative, or we are trying to get it the representative 100% representative sample, so that the lump material, fines material, every type of material and every granular size can be collected, so that it will be the proper representation of the total lot.
Okay, I can understand. So last question, I mean, what are your plans? I mean, what are the Rohan Engineering, enterprises plans to expand its sampling manufacturing?
Sampling manufacturing, our plans is right now to put our sampler in every plant basically. So some of our clients is asking for this sampling system as there is no direct productivity of this sampler. So they go back. There is a budget issue also everyone. But in this year or the coming years, we hope there will be a vast inquiry for the sampling system, different kind. Nowadays we are getting various inquiries for the auger sampler, mobile auger we have supplied so many in this previous year. And the stationary auger sampler we have the special, in India we can say there is a stationary auger with the special bin management system which we have already implemented at different Aditya Birla plants and some plants at Chhattisgarh. There is also power plants. This is a very interesting subject.
That's correct. Thank you so much, Shiv Shankar. It's really been, a revelation to get to know about the intricacies of sampling. So, guys, please subscribe to our channel, Rohan Engineering Enterprise, and help us go places. Next time around, we'll come back with another round of discussion on another relevant topic. Thank you so much, and wish us all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.